Good morning. I'm Rashan Gidwani, and you're watching the Daily Morning Note. It's Thursday, the 9th of March, 2023. The U.S. Federal Reserve Chair's testimony last night has not only opened the door to more interest rate hikes, but has also sent investors in Asian markets, including Singapore, scurrying for the exit on Wednesday. Across the broader Singapore market, decliners beat gainers 334 to 199, with 1.5 billion securities worth a total 1 billion Singapore dollars transacted. Wall Street stocks were mixed at the end of a choppy session on Wednesday as markets weighed recession fears while a Federal Reserve report described inflation as persisting. The Dow Jones Industrial Average finished down 0.2% at 32,798.40. The broad-based S&P 500 added 0.1% at 3,992.01, while the tech-rich Nasdaq Composite Index advanced 0.4% to 11,576. More funds deposited by its sponsor for loan repayment have been released from escrow to help pay for some of the REIT's outstanding mandatory repayments, EC World Real Estate Investment Trust's manager said on Tuesday. Around 5.7 million Singapore dollars and 1.9 million Singapore dollars were used to partially repay existing offshore bank loans on March 2nd, while 29.3 million yuan was used to repay existing onshore bank loans partially on March 7th. Yangzijiang Financial Holding has resumed buying back shares after a hiatus of around 5 months. On March 8th, the company paid 38 cents each for 5 million shares, bringing the total bought back to 264.6 million shares, equivalent to 6.698% of the total share base. The most recent share buyback was on October 31st, when it paid 33 cents each for 1 million shares. TDCX reported profit of 25 million Singapore dollars for the fourth quarter ended December 2022, representing a 13.3% decline from its quarter 4 financial year 2021 earnings of 28.8 million Singapore dollars. The customer solutions provider said that this was largely due to foreign exchange losses of 6 million Singapore dollars as the US dollar weakened in the last quarter of the fiscal year, resulting in higher other operating expenses of 9.5 million Singapore dollars compared to 2.5 million Singapore dollars previously. The US dollar scaled multi-month highs against most other major currencies on Wednesday after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell warned that US interest rates might need to go up even faster and higher than expected to rein in stubborn inflation. Higher rates benefit the US dollar by improving its yield and as traders look for safety while global stock markets drop. Adidas slashed its dividend and offered no concrete plans to dispose of 1.3 billion US dollars worth of Yeezy gear. The company's sales in the Asia-Pacific region plunged 31% in 2022, in large part because it failed to overcome the country's widespread boycotts of Western brands. It said on Wednesday that it would recommend slashing its annual dividend for 2022 to 70 euro cents from 3.30 euros in 2021. Alphabet's Google said on Wednesday it will launch a $300 million fund over the next 3 years to help boost the Taiwanese media's continuing operations and digital competitiveness. The fund will help Taiwan local media hone digital skills, gain expertise, and support the sustainable development of Taiwan's news industry, the company said. In the research section, Phillip Security research analyst Paul Chu maintains a buy recommendation on Hyphens Pharma International with a target price of 0.445 Singapore dollars. The last close was 0.35 Singapore dollars. That's all for today. For financial news, tune in weekdays at 8:30 a.m. live on YouTube and Facebook. Please like and subscribe for more. See you again and have a great day.